What's going on, guys? Sinclair Photos here, and we're back at it with another night meet. I know y'all love these. Last video got 400,000 views. Thank y'all so much. We just did that today. We are out here for some fuck boyery. We got some donuts going on over there. We got Mustangs, we got Civics, we got lawnmowers, we got Chargers, Challengers, everything you need. Burnout machines, baby. We're gonna get lit tonight, have some fun, and maybe get arrested. What do you say, Andrew?
I say we get arrested.
Let's do it. Hell yeah! Let's get it! Woo! Oh shit! Oh, it's not even 5 minutes in, we almost got a wreck! Oh shit! Oh! 2 minutes in, we got a wreck, boys! That was crazy! Oh my god! Oh! Hell yeah, brother! That truck's back at it.
Adrian, I got that on video.
Not even 10 minutes in, we got a fucking wreck. This is fucking nuts. Oh my god. Oh Jesus. Carnage, bro. Oh my god. We got the boys rolling in, dude. Dude, nobody gives a fuck. Holy. Dude, 2 wrecks in fucking 15 minutes. This is nuts! The scissor doors! We got all the bass boys, Jesus! The TVs and everything. We're taking a break from the donuts. We got some Supras. We got donuts in the background. We got this clean ass S2000 over here. I love this thing. Let me know if you like these kind of cars. We got so much variety here. We got bikes, STs, Golfs. Nice. Everything. Everything your heart could want. Even purple people. There's the aftermath. As bad as I thought. But that Charger hit and run, that fucking idiot, dude. If anybody knows the guy that did that, call the police. Right. Lol. That's hella clean. I like this a lot. Roush Stage 1.
Full send, let's go.
He knows how to do it. Well, let's hear it. Holy! We got burnout. hoe's loud, bro. Do it again. That looks sick. Hey. That's about a half cent. Alright, so far this meet has been literally insane. We got 2 crashes, we got a hit and run, we got some rev off, some babes dancing, we got a little bit of everything for y'all. So if you're liking the video so far, leave a like and consider subscribing. We're almost to 7K, I think, something like that. We're blowing up, baby. So there's a lot of tow trucks here. I don't know what's going on, but apparently a couple of them are just chilling. We're looking for our friends, and we're gonna check out some more of these cool cars and hopefully more donuts and stuff, because that's the good stuff.
It's playing.
It's playing! I'm great, how are you?
I'm doing
Good, have a good night. Good night. Supra! Supra! Send that Titan, baby! See that V8? Oh, yeah!
They attempted to stand. Yeah! Alright, your turn!
Let's go front wheel drive! Woo!
This is your boy.
My boy! Oh! Thank God! He's good at driving.
That would have been 3 wrecks.
Check out this Evo, guys. This so clean, bruh. Race car. I don't know about y'all, but I want one of these so bad. Ooh, loaded. You haven't even seen the best part. Horns, baby. We have been notified that everyone has moved to location 2. So we got the boys and we're rolling now. Alright, I don't know if you can see me, but the second location we got, it's all dark. there are no lights on, so I don't really know what's gonna happen. I guess we'll just have to see. All right, we got some people rolling into the second location. It's clean. S2K. The whole gang. We have this whole parking lot to do shenanigans that you can't see. But I doubt that anything will go on because they're scared of the dark. We got our first Dondi. This is a good distance.
Turn the wheel completely sideways and gun it. I like the mindset.
Tandem Tahoes! Tahoe's gone wild! Damn! Jesus! Goes again. Turn on your lights, please. Holy moly. He's doing it in the dirt over there too.
Oh, he's doing them dirty.
It's the women! Hello! Ah! Oh shit! I wanna die! Take my life! It's so blurry. Oh no! He fell. I think it works. Hey, easy muffler delete. DIY.
Can I keep it? He's taking the fucking muffler.
It's a treasure. It's a treasure. We got the police. Cops are in Houston takeover.
Send it. Oh, he's blocking the exit. He's blocking the exit. Alright, we might want to go.
Alright, oh, it's a nice color. Time to get out of here. Alright, you can't see me. Location 2 down. I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll probably take a poll in the car. You can't see me. Now you can. Hope you're enjoying this. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to do so. I'll see you at this.
Yeah, me and him, dude.
Yeah. We got the golf gang. We got 3 deep, baby. We're making friends on the road.
Golf R.
That thing is clean.
That is. I like the red rims. side of the camera.
Cameraman. Right. Sweet stuff. Man, I wonder where that golf ball is. I know. That's clean. It's over there.
Yeah, bring him over here.
There he is. A boy.
Get that boy.
All right. We have made it to spot 3 at Lost We squatted up with a GTI and a Golf R. That Golf R is fast and clean as hell. We got Daniel over here, our new friend. We got the Golf R. Woo!
The Volkswagen boys.
This thing was fast off the line. I don't know if Andrew got it, but sheesh. All right, we got one of the cleanest cars here in my opinion. I just dig this color on this thing so much. So if I go in, I'm gonna have to wrap it. Something like this, maybe blue Cepheus. All right guys, location 3 was a little bit lackluster, so we brought it back home. It's about 1:30 in the morning right now, something like that. But the boys are going to Whataburger. We're calling this night a night, and I'll see you later on. This video will probably come out before the video I'm shooting tomorrow, so we'll see. But if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.